In this video, we'll discuss about best fitness apps to measure progress. You can even use technology to measure the progress that you make. There are so many apps that you use for a number of things every day, but did you know that there are apps for tracking your progress too? There are apps set up by different developers that you can use for tracking your progress and measuring your gains. Nike Training Club. This is an app developed by the leading producer of athletic products in the world. Their app gives you access to more than 180 personalized workouts, and all for free. Just think of this app as your own personal trainer for gaining muscle mass. These workouts are aimed at increasing endurance and muscle gain. If you want to track your progress, you can do it with this app as it adapts the workout plans to your needs. The notable feature of this app is that it is suited for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate level exerciser, this app caters to your needs. It has a Picks for You feature, which tells you about workouts that are suitable for you. You can choose the kind of workouts you want to do, such as the ones that increase muscle mass, and the app will recommend them for you on a daily basis. The app also gives you expert advice, which comes from leading Nike trainers with tips included on increasing muscle mass and getting toned muscles. With time-based and rep-based options, you can choose the one that is suitable for you. In this way, you can track the amount of time you spend in the gym every day or the number of reps you're able to pull off. If you do any other activities than just training in the gym, such as playing basketball or running, that can also be tracked by this app. Your runs will be stored by the app, and the progress of other activities will also be monitored by the app. Garmin Fit. Garmin Fit is another app that can be used to track progress. You can pair it with a compatible Garmin device and track your physical activity. The app has a My Day page on which you can see your health data. Weighing scale. Just turn on your GPS and you can measure your distance if you're running or your elevation if you're training for building muscle. On the app, you can create your own workouts personalized to your needs. This app can also be synced with other apps such as Strava or MyFitnessPal, allowing you to track your progress from different apps on one platform. One distinguishing feature of this app is that it lets you connect with other users so you can track your progress against other users too. The app also tracks the amount of calories you take in or you need based on your age, height, and weight. With the app open, you can also listen to your favorite music while you plan. Jeffit Workout Tracker. The Jeffit app is a fitness tracker app that you can use for tracking your progress in the gym. It's a gym trainer app which is filled with free fitness programs that are aimed at keeping the user fit. There are 1,300 different exercises in the app, and the developers have also added animations for the user to see how these exercises are done. The fitness tracker gives you progress reports so that you can see how well you're doing or which changes you need to make. There's a resting timer too, so that you can rest for an optimum time between successive workouts. The app also gives you an option for goal setting that it will then track for you. One of the most noteworthy features of this app is that it gives different kinds of workout plans. You can customize the plans for yourself to 3-day, 4-day, or 5-day splints. Or you could sync your data on cloud if you don't have Wi-Fi. The app will still work offline. The interface is quite user-friendly, and overall, the app is free. FitnessPal. FitnessPal is an app that many people are aware of. It has a calorie counter for the user to track their calories. If you do muscle building exercises, you can use the calorie counter to see if you have gained weight. Also, there's a BMI and body fat calculator. This is very important for keeping track of your progress in muscle building routines. Body fat mass is used to determine the amount of muscle gained. There are different gym exercises on the app with instructions and animations. If you're not happy with the results you get from your existing routine, you can learn new muscle building exercises from the app. There are also meal plans on the app for people working for muscle building, so you can track your progress in the gym and monitor the calorie intake at the same time. Create your workout log in the app, and you can track your intense workouts as well as the results. You can also track your calories with the built-in calorie tracker and use the pedometer to track the steps you're taking if you have taken up walking as an extra activity. MyFitnessPal also has a heart tracker to track your heart rate. The good news is that it's free, works offline, and can also be synced with other apps such as Garmin Fit. FitEye Muscle. iMuscle is a tracking app for people who want to gain muscle in a specific part of the body. There's an anatomical figure on the app from where you can choose which part of the body you want workout plans for. There's also detailed animation of different muscles on the app so that you can see how you need to train. Along with primary exercises, the app also tracks your secondary muscle gains. You can track the statistics for individual exercises you do or for the whole workout. There's also an option to track your body measurements. This is suitable for people who want to gain muscle mass. They can monitor the different parts of the body and how they have increased in size. The app tracks workouts with weight and the number of reps and sets you do. There's a digital trainer to give you tips and advice on how to make your workouts more fruitful. Workout Trainer. This is another fitness app that you can use for tracking your progress. The app lets you choose any stage, whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or expert. Set a goal for yourself and the app will track how close you are to your goal. You can also connect this app to your smartwatch for better tracking. If you subscribe to the app, you can also get a one-on-one fitness trainer for yourself online. This trainer will customize the workouts for you, and you will also be accountable to this trainer. If you don't want to pay, you can still enjoy different workout plans that are devised by expert coaches. As you can see, it's quite easy to track your performance with an app since your smartphone is almost always with you. Also, different apps are equipped with training ticker, customized workouts, and calorie trackers.